mouse. I show you the. I open it. Oh, God. And this is the USB. Bluetooth. See? And that's it. I put it back. Okay, give me that. And now I have laptop.
What is it, Claire? What type of laptop is it? The other side.
Windows 10. So it's HP Pavilion Laptop 15 CS 251 and A. That's it. I try to open now.
Well, be careful with your fingers, Claire.
Yeah.
Don't try this at home, kids.
I try to unbox.
That's enough, Claire. I think a razor blade's cut through it.
Try to open this.
Watch your fingers.
The laptop only. Hey, here's my laptop. What is it? Warranty. And this is the charger. Yeah. See, you can connect here and then charge later. Okay, thank you. This is the, what is that?
It's probably the warranty.
The warranty. And all over with this bomb for safety. See?
Also, good for hitting Claire with. Without damaging her.
And let's see. Yay, silver. HP. And that's it inside with this
Keyboard
paper
protection.
for the protection for the keyboard. That's it. Can I turn on?
Right, you better tell them what it is then.
So just wait later. Just I turn on the show.
So, it's got NVIDIA.
Yeah, I show you.
It's got an NVIDIA graphics card.
Intel, yeah.
It's an Intel
Or
i7
4,
processor.
yeah. 8.
7.
8 green, yes. So this
16
is
gig with half a terabyte of SSD RAM.
yeah.
So Claire, let's
And how much
plug it in.
this? How much?
779.
779 only.
Hi there.
Yeah, hello.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Yeah.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and
Where is
we'll
it?
have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way. And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon
that on?
towards the
Have you
bottom of
with
your
the
screen.
adapter?
If you need an assistive screen
Where's the
reader,
adapter?
press the Windows,
What?
Control and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Wait.
Your region is set to United Kingdom. Is that correct?
Yes.